Hello everyone. In this video I wanted to show you guys how we can edit the automate rules on our SharePoint site. So to do this we just have to come over to automate, come down to rules, and then you'll see the manage rules option right there. So I'm sure you guys can imagine there may be times where yourself or other users are complaining about notifications that they're getting from lists. This should probably be the first place that you want to start with to see if there's maybe a rule in place where the notifications are going through. There's also a notification option as well on your SharePoint site that's being retired called Alert Me, but once it comes up here in a second, you'll see that this, as of July 2026, this is going to be retired. So you can check here, or you can also check the automate rules, manage rules, or it may be under a workflow as well. But those would probably be the first two places that I would start. So this is the one that we created in the previous video. And if you come over here, you can just turn it off. So maybe it's something that you just want to turn off temporarily. Or if you want to come in and you want to make changes to it, you can, or you can just straight up delete it here in the bottom left.